How to own a YouTube channel. Step number 1. Register for a YouTube channel. Follow me, and I will go through the process with crucial optimization settings to help you to get the best results. There's something you may miss if you don't watch this video. Before we start, there are several things that may need to be prepared. An email address, Gmail will be good. A channel name, a profile picture, a banner image. And what is this banner for? When people get into a channel, your banner will show up there. A watermark image. This image will show up lower right corner of your video. If people click on it, they can subscribe your channel. And channel description. You may think that it's baffling to prepare so many items. Well, the first item is most needed right now. You can optimize the others later on. So let's start to register. Generally, it takes 5 simple steps to finish the job. First, you need to log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create one. If you create an account for yourself, you can choose personal use. If you manage a channel for a company or your client, you can select for work or business. I keep defaulting to proceed as my email has registered as a personal account. Now you have entered the interface of YouTube. Click the icon on the top right corner. Select Create a Channel. Upload your profile image. And name your channel. Using your name to name your channel is one of the best ideas. Or your name plus your niche, as your name becomes a brand name. Of course, there are so many other intelligent ideas to name your channel. For instance, PewDiePie, MrBeast. If you ask, my idea is to make your name sound nice and easy to remember. If someday your friend asks you, hey, hearing you're playing around with YouTube, what's its name? You say, oh, glad you asked. It's underscore 468574.
Are you stupid or something?
You know what I mean. I think you need to notice that one day you will be famous. So pick a good name. In my case, for demonstration, I typed something at Liberty like BB Business, which stands for Big Boost Your Business. Just like my channel. This channel is going to talk about online business. So that's it. That's it? No, of course not. Now I'm going to verify this account. This step is essential. Click your icon again. Select Settings. And click Channel Status and Features. You should enable the intermediate features, which allow you to upload video longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and live streams. Without that, I don't even know how I can upload videos on YouTube. No worry, it's easy to verify. Input your phone number, get the code, enter the 6-figure code, and submit. The advanced features are optional for now, in most cases I think. It will allow you to create more live streams daily and upload more videos daily, so on and so forth. If you really need that, you can follow its instructions. It's not complicated actually, and it will be enabled automatically in 2 months if your channel is alive. Then we go to General tab and choose your currency. I'm okay with US dollars. So let's just move on to the Channel tab. You can select your region. If you ask that my human body is in somewhere else but my eyes are on the market of the USA, is it okay to select United States here? Yes, you can. Then add some keywords, and you can put some keywords relevant to your niche, less than 500 characters in total. Advanced settings are something about your audience. You can choose whether your content is for kids or not. And you can add your Google Ads account link here. And let's check upload defaults. All these blanks and settings will show up again when you upload your video. Anything you added here will be the default value when you actually upload videos. So this tag will help you to save some time afterward. And advanced settings share the same idea. The license, I leave it as default. Caption certification. This content has never aired on the television in the US. Is appropriate for most cases. And the comments, I'm okay with the default. Anyway, you make your selection according to your situation. The next tag is permission. If you have partners to run this channel, you can invite them from here. Input their email addresses and set their permissions. We are almost there. The start of tomorrow. Now we are getting into the final stage of the process. Click your icon again, select your channel, click Customize Channel, and select Branding. Your profile picture is set, so you can leave it alone now. And we see the banner image here. Click Upload. There are a few things you should pay attention to of this image. It has got a safe area in the center of the image. If you make it in Photoshop, you'd better mark the area very clearly. Or you can encounter something embarrassing like my cat. Only belly is left on the screen. You don't have to keep these figures in your mind. They can change by time. The link talking about this in the description of this video. Then we can upload the video watermark. You can adjust its display time. So next is the basic info. We can write your channel description here. I think this part does two things. One thing is to showcase your audience what your channel is about, and another is to let the algorithm knows, which will help the algorithm to find the right audience. So when you write this description, you have two goals to reach. One is to give reasons that your audience follow you. Another is to put some keywords relevant to your niche in this article, so it will optimize the SEO. Under this part is the channel URL. It seems so long and so complicated. It looks like a fraud link, you know. Actually, it's optimizable, and you need to meet some conditions. 100 or more subscribers, 30 days old, has got a profile picture and a banner image. It's not that hard, isn't it? After that, you can add some links below like your store, and then it will show up here. Still, you can add more links and links on banner. You can test it by yourself now. You are all set. Click the holy button. Now you are the creator, and you can upload your videos now. If you are in a hurry to upload videos, the steps after verifications can be optimized later. You can even leave them blank for now. Congratulations, YouTuber. You've got your feet on the open road.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up.
From my point of view, there are two things that can redefine you. One thing is raising a baby, and another is being a content creator. You can leave any questions about this video. In the following video, I will talk about some details of the images, banner, profile picture, and watermark, and the easy way to edit them. See you there. Take care.